everyone, and today is 8/8/2021, and it's a Lionsgate reading also. Today is new moon day, that means the sun is already in the zodiac sign of Leo, and the new moon today is also in the zodiac sign of Leo, so that makes it very special today. And I'm going to do the rest of the zodiac signs which are left, which are earth signs, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, and your air signs, Aquarius, Gemini and Libra, Gemini and Aquarius. So what is special today is that this is the Leo season. The Leos are celebrating their birthdays today. And what is Lionsgate? Lionsgate, is a day when the Sirius, which is the brightest star in the sky after the planet Sun, it is in direct alignment with the Sun, and that makes this day special because today we can pray to our gods, to the moon, because today is new moon day, and new moon is also in the zodiac sign of Leo. So today we can pray to God, on to our ancestors, and whatever we want to create in our life, we can pray to God and that will be manifested because the energies are very strong today. So now let's start with the zodiac sign of Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. So I'll start with my Taurus. Okay. So my love team, my tarot team, my spirit guides, please give me the reading for our Taurians. What is it that they need to take today, and what is it which they need to leave behind today? So this is the reading for the zodiac sign of Taurus collective. What is it the Taurus needs to know here? Okay, so now let's see what is the card for you. Alright, Taurus, so the cards which I've pulled out for you are the Nine of Pentacles, the Queen of Swords, and also the Five of Pentacles. Alright, and the oracle card which is there for you is Nature. So Taurians, you are guided to connect with the nature, the universe. Nature is all the answers to your problems. Nature is all the answers for everyone in this world. Nature means we connect to the sky, to the air, to the plants, to the animals, to the gods, to the deities, whomsoever we want. Now I feel that Taurus, what I feel is that you are very happy. You are very happy in your skin, Nine of Pentacles. You are very happy in your skin. You are single, and though you are single, you are absolutely self-contented, self-satisfied, self-sufficient. You have no dearth of money here. You are complete in yourself, but you are simultaneously asking for truth. You want the truth out. You are propelling someone, calling someone. You are asking for truth, for clarity in your life, because otherwise this makes you feel insecure. It is making you feel insecure. It is making you feel fearful that what the future has in store for you. So for this feeling, to remove this feeling of insecurity, you should connect with the nature as much as possible. This is the message for you, Taurians, and you are very much grounded here. This is your energy, and you could be dealing with an Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. And again here, this is your energy, Five of Pentacles, though it is an energy of scarcity, but you should not. You should leave it on the universe. You should connect with this nature. You should heal yourself. You should go out. You should enjoy the nature, enjoy this Leo season here. And let me see what is the message, love message you have, Taurus. The love message for you is flames. The passion, your passion ignites. So this is the twin flame card. That means your passion is actually, you're very passionate about somebody, or maybe you are passionate about your goal or something, could be anything. So this is what I have for you, Taurians. Now let's do the reading for Taurus. Now this is the reading for Virgo. The next zodiac sign is Virgo. Let's see what we have for you, my Virgos. What is it that you need to know here? Please give me the cards for the Virgos collective, my love team. Please give me the card for the Virgos. And today is a very special day. You can perform havans, you can light a diya before God, and you can pray to the deities, to the ancestors to help you out. So let's see what we have for the Virgos collective. Okay, this is for the Virgos. Alright, Virgos, the first card is Knight of Pentacles here. This is your energy, earth energy. And you have the Three of Cups here. You have the Ace of Wands here. Lot of passion here, it seems, Virgos. Now let us see the Oracle card, which is there for you. Relationship change. There is a change in your relationship. It could be with anybody. It could be with your partner, with your boyfriend, with your girlfriend, with your family members. There's change in the relationship here. Now, Virgos, what I feel here, that God is providing you with an opportunity to, you have the Knight of Pentacles here. So God is, providing you with an opportunity to change your relationships, maybe with your loved ones. And though you are moving very slowly to it, it's a very good strategic, way. You are guiding yourself very slowly, moving towards someone, and you want to reconcile. Three of Cups, you want to reconcile with that person, maybe you want to celebrate some sort of thing here. And there is also a brand new beginning with a lot of passion, lot of fire in it. And I see that's why there is some change in the relationship with someone. So definitely, though you are moving very slowly and very carefully, guiding your steps everywhere. So you are guiding your steps towards someone, towards a relationship. You want to reconcile, and there is a brand new opportunity here also for the reconciliation. So very good cards, very good reading for you, Virgos. Now let's see what is the love message for you. This is what we have for you, Virgos. And it says, look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. So somebody loves you and says that look deep within your heart and you will feel my love. My love for you is as deep as the ocean. So this is what I have for you, Virgos. And I hope you liked your reading. Okay, now I am going to do for the Capricornians here. Let's see what is the reading for the Capricornians here. And Virgos, you got a very, very good reading. I was very happy with your reading, and I'm also very happy with the reading of the Cancerians. Lot of love coming in, whatever they want, lot of harmony, lot of peace in their lives. So let's see. What we have for our Capricornians. Please, my love team, my tarot, give me this, my spirit guides, give me the messages for the Capricornians collective. Let's see what we have for you, Capris. Okay. Alright, Capri, so the first card, and let me also take out your oracle card for you. Patience. The card which you got is the Patience card, and the first card is the Four of Swords here. Four of Swords talks about healing, taking out, taking a break, taking, recovering from some sort of hurt, some sort of illness, taking lot of rest. This is what Four of Swords says, and you have a major arcana here, the World card here. So the cycle is complete. One cycle is complete. Something is really ended here, and you have to take a new direction. You have to take a new course of action here. And a major cycle has completed, but you are, overall energy is Two of Swords. You are very much in a confusion. You are torn between two choices which you have to make. So actually it is a lot about the choice. So these are your cards. Capris. There's a lot of healing taking place, lot of rest, but you have to make a choice also here. But you are in lot of, you are closed off, you don't know what to do, but there is a major cycle with the World card which is completed. And because of this, you need patience. Exactly, you need patience to make a choice, you need patience to think, you should be patient so that the results are out. And you are able to make a choice. This is what I have for you, Capris. Now let me see what is the love message for you. This is your love message, Capris, and it says, when you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. What a beautiful, beautiful message. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. So this is what I have for you, Capris. So please make a very, very wise choice. This is what the new moon is saying to you. And we take nothing from this world except our soul. Everything is left here in this world. So very, very touching and very poignant message for you, my Capris. Now let me do a reading for... We have finished with the Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn. Now I will start with the air signs, Aquarius, Libra and Gemini. So I'm going to start with the Aquarius. Now my tarot, my love team, please give me the message for the Aquarians. What is the message for the Aquarians here? On this Lionsgate new moon message here. So let's see what is the message here. Okay. This is for the sign of Aquarius. Okay, let's start. Alright, these are your 3 cards which I've got for you, Aquarians. Now what is your communication, Aquarians? Communication, you need to communicate clearly. This is the oracle card I've got for you, and the cards which I've got for you are the 7 of Pentacles here, then the second card is the Page of Swords here, and the overall energy is Ace of Pentacles here. So there is a brand new opportunity, financial opportunity which is coming to you, and but you have to evaluate and take a decision. So you will be evaluating and taking a decision, and you will also be researching. You will be doing lot of online work, or this could be like you are researching a lot about this brand new financial opportunity which might knock your doorstep. So this is your reading, Aquarians, and for this you need communication. Exactly, you will be doing all the communication, maybe online, social media, a lot of social media for communication in order to inquire about the brand new opportunity, and you are evaluating and taking up this opportunity. Now let me see what is the love message for you. This is your love message, Aquarians, which says, when it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. So this is your message, Aquarians. You need to communicate with your partner also, so that you make the right decision, you make the right beginning. Okay, my Aquarians. Now we will do the zodiac for the zodiac sign of Libra. Let's see what we have for you, Libra. What is the message for you, Libra? And today's energy is very, very powerful. Please pray to your ancestors. Ancestors, I'm telling again and again, and you will be you will be rewarded. You will be able to manifest whatever you want to create. So this is for the Libra collective, my love team. Please guide me. What is the message for the Libra here? Okay, let's begin. And what is the message? Okay, your card is environment here. Something to do with the environment here. And the cards which I've got are the Page of Swords here. Then the second card is the Five of Pentacles here. And the Queen of Swords here. These are the cards I've got for you, Libra. I think you are also doing, you also are in search of truth. You want clarity and truth to be out. And you are also researching on it, waiting on it, doing a lot of online work here. Because you are feeling very insecure. This reading is somewhat similar to the reading of Taurus here. So you're feeling very, very insecure here about something. And you're feeling very, very low here. So this is what, although there is lot of hope here with the Five of Pentacles here, but this energy is energy of scarcity, I think. So Libra, this new moon is asking you that you should be clear, you should be truthful, you should be honest, and you should not feel insecure. And that is why you are doing lot of research work. Maybe you are doing lot of things online, and you should connect with your environment. You should not feel scarce, you should not feel low. You should connect with your environment. This is what I have for you, Libra. And what is the message for you? Love message for you? Alright. So this is your love message. And it says, criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are, and your relationship will magically transform. So this is what I have for you, Libra. That is, you should not criticize one another. You should accept as is the environment. You should act according to the environment around you. So this is what I have for you, Libra. And the next sign which is left is Gemini. Let's see what we have for you, Gemini. Now my spirit guides, this is a Lionsgate portal today. So please guide me what we have for the Gemini today. What is the message of the new moon for the Geminis? This is for the Gemini's collective. What is the message for the Geminis? Okay, and what is the oracle card for them? Leadership. You have this oracle card, leadership, for you, Geminis, and the cards for you are Knight of Swords here. The moon card, new moon is today, and you have the new moon card here, and you have the Queen of Wands. Now your cards are saying that you need to take action. You need to take action towards something which was hidden from you. Moon is hidden from you, so you need to take action because somebody here is coming towards you very fast, and this energy is very reckless energy. This is something like you want to conquer. They are very reckless. They are very using lot of intellect. They don't have compassion so much. They don't have love so much. This is like a conquering kind of energy. So somebody is moving towards you fast, so you need to take action towards something which was hidden from you. Okay, Geminis, and for this you need to take the initiative, you need to take the endeavor, you need to be a leader. You should lead, you should take this energy head on. You should take this energy head on, which is coming towards you very, very fast. So this is the message for you, that you need to take action towards someone who's coming, towards you very fast, and which is a very reckless kind of energy. And let us see what is the love message for you, Geminis. Okay, embrace. This is the love message for you, embrace, which says through each other you find the missing pieces. Through each other you find the missing pieces. So this is your reading, Gemini. So we have finished all the 12 zodiac signs, and today is a new moon. Please do a little bit of ritual. Please do a little havan. You can also pray to your ancestors. You thank your ancestors in gratitude that they should support your cause, they should support your ideas, they should support whatever you want to manifest in this world. And this is all what I have for you today. See you again. Till then, bye bye.